Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Dr. Shorab's classes. Today, we are going to solve a very beautiful question from reliability theory and probability. So, this question is a complete combo meal basically. Exponential distribution, series system, survival probability, memoryless property, and expectation and the chi-square distribution. Basically, one question but five chapters hiding inside it. Okay, so we will first read the question, then we will solve it. Okay, so question is, let xi be an absolutely continuous random variable having the probability density function if ix is equal to I into e to the power minus ix if x is greater than equal to 0, and this is 0 if x is less than 0 and I equal to 1 or 2. Okay, so consider a series system comprising of independent components having random lifetimes described by the random variables x1 and x2. And let x denote the lifetime of the series system. Then which of the following statements are true? So there are four statements. Okay, so we have to find out which statement will be true. Okay, so let's do it. Now, we are given two independent random variables, x1 and x2. Okay, and what is the density function? If ix, this is I into e to the power minus ix if x is greater than equal to 0 and I is 1, 2. Okay, so if sum I of x equals to what? I into e to the power minus ix. Now, immediately whenever you see lambda into e to the power minus lambda x, your brain should scream like exponential distribution alert. Okay, like your brain receives a WhatsApp notification from probability theory, also like this. Okay, so first, for I equal to 1, if 1x, this is e to the power minus x. So, exponential 1. That means exponential of x1, this is 1. Okay. Now, for I equal to 2, what is the scenario? If 2x, this is 2 into e to the power minus 2x. So, we can say, right? Now, meaning of exponential distribution in life. What do you mean by the exponential distribution? Exponential distribution is the king of the waiting time problems. For examples, like you can say lifetime of a bulb or time before the machine failure. You can say like the waiting time for a customer, a radioactive decay. Okay, and today we are studying the system failure, right? This is engineering plus probability marriage ceremony basically. Now, imagine your school's projector depends on the electricity and the HDMI cable. Now, if anyone fails, the whole system dies. So, this is called the series system. Okay. Now, for a series system, X is basically, so X equals minimum of X1 and X2 because the system fails as soon as the first component fails. Now, minimum of independent exponential random variables is also exponential basically. And the new rate is lambda is equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Okay. Here, lambda is 1 plus 2. This is 3. Therefore, we can say exponential 3. Okay. Meaning, we can say for x greater than equal to 0. Now, let's check the options. Option number 1. Probability of x greater than 4 equals probability x greater than 1 into probability x greater than 2. Okay. So, for the exponential distribution, this is basically e to the power minus lambda x. Okay. So, here lambda is 3. So, probability of x greater than x, this is e to the power minus 3x. Thus, we can say probability of x greater than 4, this is e to the power minus 12, and probability of x greater than 1, this is e to the power minus 3, and probability of x greater than 2, this is e to the power minus 6. Now multiply e to the power minus 3, but e to the power minus 12 is not equal to e to the power minus 9, right? Therefore, option number 1 is false. Okay. Now, come to the option number 2. Now, what is the option number 2? Probability x greater than 4 given x greater than 2. Okay. So, exponential distribution has gold medal property called the memoryless property. Meaning, if a machine survives 2 hours, it behaves as if it was newly born. No emotional attachment to the past survival. Okay, and we have a formula for it. And take S equal to 2 and T equal to 2. Then we have, yes, so option number 2 is definitely true. Okay. Now, why exponential is special? only exponential distribution among continuous distributions has memoryless property. So this is a super important interview fact. Okay, companies loves this asking. Now come to option number 3. Check option number 3 as well. We need expectation of x, that is 1 by 3. Now since mean of the exponential distribution, right? So e of x is 1 by 3. Therefore, option number 3 is also true. Okay. So higher the failure rate, smaller the average lifetime. Exactly like the mobile battery during the online examination. Now, option number 4. Now, 6x follows chi-square with 3 degrees of freedom. Right. Now, if then chi-square is actually gamma n by 2, 1 by 2. And spatially, and now we know that. So multiply by 6, let y equal to 6x. Okay. Now use the transformation, CDF approach shortcut. Because scaling changes the rate and not chi-square with 3 degrees. Hence, option number 4 is false. Okay. So students, remember this forever. Very, very important. This single identity solves many competitive examination questions instantly. So, what are the true statements? Option number 2 and option number 3. So, today we learned minimum of the exponentials is exponential rates add in series system. Exponential distribution is memoryless. Mean of exponential is 1 by lambda. Relation between the exponential and the chi-square distribution, and this was not one question, this was a probability universe hidden inside one MCQ. So students, if you understand this question properly, then half of the reliability theory become your servant. And remember, in probability, small formulas can destroy the huge questions. Okay, so it's all about the concept. So this was the whole solution of this question. I hope this is clear to you. So uh, let's meet at the next session with this kind of question, and we will be solving this type of questions again. So bye bye. See you.